Farahil 4 tablespoons. Mustard seeds ½ teaspoon. Asafoetida ¼ teaspoon. 1 whole red chili. Few curry leaves. 2 green chili. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 3 sliced potatoes. Mix it together. Salt to taste. On medium to low heat, stirring in between, cook until light golden brown. 1 medium onion cut into rings. Turmeric powder ½ teaspoon. Mango powder ½ teaspoon. Coriander powder ½ teaspoon. Red chili flakes ½ teaspoon. On low heat, sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. Coriander leaves ¼ cup chopped. Mix well and potato katli is ready to serve. Enjoy!